This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing what you need and taking the first actionable steps now. Open Google Sites, sign in, and click New Site. Choose blank or a portfolio template. The template saves time, but blank gives control. Create core pages. Home, projects, about, contact, keep it to 3 to 5 pages for clarity. Upload at least 5 images, 1 PDF resume, and gather 3 project links. Once done, name the site clearly. That name becomes your default URL label, so pick something professional and searchable. Now you build the middle, the detailed execution that makes your portfolio useful. On the projects page, add a section per project: title, short summary, date, and role. Insert images and use columns for side-by-side screenshots and descriptions so viewers scan quickly. Embed live links to demos or GitHub. For documents, insert from Google Drive, then set sharing to anyone with link can view. Make sure permissions are correct. Also add a skills list and a brief case study for each key project to explain impact. Finish by polishing and publishing so your work is visible. Preview the site in desktop and mobile modes. Adjust spacing, font sizes, and image alignment to ensure readability. Choose a navigation layout, top or side, and if desired, map a custom domain. Click Publish, pick a site address, and set viewer permissions. Make sure external links open in new tabs. Finally, test every link and download. Troubleshooting tip: if an embedded Drive file won't display, check the file's sharing permission and reinsert it after setting anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.